Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Live without any followers. You can bypass TikTok's standard equipment of 1,000 followers and go live with 0 followers by utilizing the business account gaming category method or requesting streaming key access via multi-stream platforms. Now, to use this TikTok Live without any followers, all you have to do is first of all ensure that you have a business account under the gaming loophole. So what you can do is open your TikTok, then head to your profile by tapping on this profile icon, then tap on these 3 horizontal lines or the menu icon, which is located on your top right. From there, head to settings and privacy, and you should be able to find account option. Go ahead and click on it, and from here you will be able to switch your account to business account. And once you follow the on-screen setup prompts, all you have to do is select an industry, and you might want to go ahead and choose the gaming option, then tap next, then restart the TikTok application, then tap the create button, and you should be able to find the live option over here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.